Can't install Snapchat from the Google Play Store? Here's how to fix it. Force close the Play Store. Open the recent app screen on your Android phone. Find the Google Play Store app. Swipe it away to force close the app completely. Wait a few seconds. Reopen the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar and search for Snapchat. If the issue was temporary, the install button should now appear. Tap install to download the app. If it still doesn't download, move on to the next fix. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Then turn airplane mode back off. Wait for your phone to reconnect to the network. Open the Google Play Store and try installing Snapchat again. If the download still doesn't start, clear Google Play Store cache. Open the Settings app on your device and tap on Apps. Find and open Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache. Go back and reopen the Google Play Store. Tap Install and check if the download starts normally. If the problem continues, restart your Android device. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the power button at the bottom right. A few options will appear. Tap on Restart. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. Open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar and search for Snapchat. Click on Install and check if the download starts successfully. In most cases, one of these fixes resolves the installation problem, and that's it.